molecular orbital diagram of neon molecule. Neon molecule is made up of two neon atom, and the number of atomic number of neon atom is 10. So electronic configuration will be a 1s2 2s2 2p6 2 2 4 6 10. Similar electronic configuration will be for second neon atom. So total number of electron in neon molecule is 20. So 10 plus 10 20. Now we will see molecular orbital diagram. This is first neon atom, this is second neon atom. So number of electrons in neon atom is 10. So 2 will be in 1s orbital, 2 will be in a 2s orbital, and remaining 6 will be in a 2p orbital. Similar electronic configuration will be for second neon atom, like this. Now we will see how the atomic orbitals are combining with each other and forming a molecular orbital. 1s atomic orbital of first neon atom and 1s atomic orbital of second neon atom will combine with each other, and two molecular orbitals are formed. One is bonding and one is anti-bonding, sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. For anti-bonding, star sign is present. 2 electrons are here, 2 electrons are here, so total 4 electrons are here. 2 will be in bonding sigma 1s bonding orbital, and 2 will be in a sigma star 1s anti-bonding orbital. Now 2s atomic orbital of first neon atom and 2s atomic orbital of second neon atom will combine with each other. Again two molecular orbital will form, that is sigma 2s bonding molecular orbital and sigma star 2s anti-bonding molecular orbital. Here are 2 electrons, here are 2 electrons, so total 4 electrons are here. 2 will be in this sigma 2s and 2 will be in sigma star 2s. Now 2p orbital of first neon atom and 2p orbital of second neon atom will combine with each other. Total number of electron in first neon atom is 6, and in total number of electron in 2p orbital of neon atom is 6, and in second atom 6 electron is present in 2p orbital. So total 12 electrons are present here. 2 electron will be in sigma 2pz orbital, 2 will be in pi 2px orbital, 2 will be in pi 2py orbital, 2 will be in pi star 2px, and 2 will be in pi star 2py, and 2 will be in sigma star 2pz. So these are bonding orbital and these are anti-bonding orbital with the sign of star. But in these two orbital and these two orbital, directly 2 electrons are not filled here, because these two orbital have nearly same energy. Similar is here also. Directly 2 electrons are not filled here in this orbital and this orbital. 1 by 1 electrons are filled here. So now these or molecular orbital can be shown in form of a series also. So if number of electron is more than 14 for this series, we can use this series sigma 1s2 sigma star 1s2 sigma 2s2 sigma star 2s2 sigma 2pz2 pi 2px2 pi 2py2 pi star 2px2 pi star 2py2 and sigma 2pz2. Now we will count that there should be a 20 electron in molecular orbital 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 and 20. Now we will calculate the bond order. Bond order is equal to 1 by 2 nb minus na. Nb means number of electron which are present in bonding molecular orbital. So we will see how many electrons are present in bonding orbital. 2 4 6 8 and 10. So we will write here 10. Now again we will see how many electrons are present in Na. Na means anti-bonding orbital, molecular orbital with the sign of a star. 2 4 6 8 and 10. So we will write here 10. When we will solve this, answer will be a 0. It means between two neon atom bond is not present. Between two neon atom bond is not present means neon molecule does not exist. neon molecule is in the form of atom. So this topic is completed. Thank you.